In this video, we are going to go over some new improvements to the PolyGroups panel in 3D Coat's Retopo and Modeling Workspaces. Previously, it was just a linear group of object layers, and it was much more restricted than what you have in the Sculpt workspace when working with the Subtree panel, which you can see a copy here. And the Subtree panel is a hierarchy panel. You have the ability to multi-select layers and delete them or move them. And in this case, we have a lot of the same functionality. You can see I have a parent layer, which will allow me to hide everything in its subtree. This was not possible previously. There was really no way to hide multiple objects at once. In order to create a subtree structure like this, what we need to do is multi-select all the individual elements that we want to be grouped. 3D Coat will create an empty parent layer for that group and place all of those individual elements as child layers. Another important feature that we previously did not have is the ability to select a blank parent layer and use that to make transforms with. Now, when we click on the transform tool, we are able to modify the entire subtree together. If I wanted to ungroup these layers, I could left mouse button click the first layer, and I could control click in order to select layers one by one, or you could hold down the shift key while selecting your first layer and last layer, then 3D Coat will select everything in between. With all of these selected, if I now want to make them independent, by moving them outside the parent, I can come over to the right-hand side when I see the move icon and drag them to the preferred location. Let's go ahead and bring that outside of this root parent group. And now these are totally independent. In the same way, I could move them back into the previous subtree or just hit Ctrl-Z to undo. But what I want to do here is I want to show how you would group them together in the first place. Let's go ahead and delete the old parent layer. Shift select the first and last object that I want to include in the group. Then I want to come down to the bottom of the panel where I see this icon. It will group the selected layers and put all of them inside a single subtree. So let's do that. Now, if we want, we can double click on the layer to rename it. Now, likewise, we can multi-select objects, and if we need, we can delete them. So I'll temporarily go ahead and delete these just to show that you can do it. Okay, so I will hit Ctrl-Z to undo. And if I want, I can also create a new child layer here by clicking on this plus icon. Okay, so I will delete that one. And with that, we will conclude this overview of the updates to the PolyGroups panel in 3D Coat's Retopo and Modeling Workspaces. I hope you found it helpful. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.